Hey, what's up, everybody? Riding Dirty Texas here, coming at you guys with another cheap budget sub unboxing / review. Today we're looking at the NSW12 2-ohm version by NVX. Let's get to it. Alright, let's get this box open and see what's inside. As a standard with most subs these days, you get a company decal. You also get the user manual. Here's a close-up of the rubber surrounding on the sub. This one is glued in, it's not stitched in. This is a $60 sub, so I wasn't expecting that. Sub is supposed to be able to handle 200 to 300 RMS. Feels good. This is the back of the sub. So it's got two 2-ohm terminals, which I'm going to wire down to 4-ohm and power it with a Rockford 250A2 old school amp from about 1999. And this is the back of the sub. Magnet is about 1.5 inches, give or take. It's a nice looking sub. Got some nice weight to it too. I'm going to be wiring this down to 4 ohms. Shout out to Crutchfield for having them helpful ass wiring diagrams. If you ever have a question, just Google it, click on Crutchfield, put the info in, it'll tell you exactly how to get everything wired up. If you guys remember my last budget sub video, I messed up one of my Scar audios when I was putting in the screws when I was drilling it into the box. Shout out to Bearded for Life for telling me about this sleeve drill bit that worked like a charm. Alright y'all, so we're in the truck. I got the subwoofer hooked up. It's being powered by a Rockford 250A2 pushing 250 RMS at 4 ohms. As you guys know, some of those old school Rockfords were underrated, but let's go ahead and give it a listen. This is what I'm going to be playing. It's Free for Profit Memphis Funk by Hikaru Shikari. Shout out to him. But yeah, let's check it out. Let's see what the sub does. The lows inside sound pretty good, pretty low. What? Okay, here I go. Alright, so final thoughts. Once again, it's a cheap sub, 60 bucks. I think Scar went up on their IX. They used to be 50 bucks, now they're like 55. To be honest, from what I've heard with this one seems to be a little more accurate than the Scar IX. They're both worth it. This one is worth the 60 bucks. Hey man, if you're on a budget, go ahead and pick one of these up. They do bump. I'm pretty sure that amp is pushing more towards a 350 RMS and it's taking it with no problem. And that's all I got, man. Gotta go inside and catch dinner. Y'all got any questions? Y'all hit me up. Stay safe out there.